Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
About 3 weeks ago, Edo State witnessed the abrupt impeachment of its Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Philip Shuaibu, marking the climax of the recent bad blood between him and the Governor, Godwin Obaseki. Since then, political intrigues as well as strategic twists and turns have taken over the political landscape in the state, with probably many more to come in the incoming days or weeks. At the heart of this political drama lies a critical question and perhaps an undertone, which is who will earn the trust and mandate of the people to occupy the coveted seat of the first citizen of Edo State come September 21st, 2024. Right Honorable Philip Shuaibu's impeachment by the PDP-controlled State House of Assembly has raised serious concerns about the Nigerian constitutional framework and the clear delineation of duties between the governors and their deputies, as well as the protection of such powers that have left deputy governors susceptible to the whims and caprices of their principals. A political scholar and professor of political science at the University of Port Harcourt, Fidelis Allen, says political office holders must exercise caution in the use of state resources and structures for personal vendettas.
Many governors have turned that provision, those provisions relating to the office of deputy governor, into an instrument of control and sometimes oppression, animosity. And so if you are the political leader of the state, maybe as the governor, and you are, all that you're doing is try to impose candidates, take decisions that party members are supposed to take, then you know that these are contrary to the principles of democracy.
As the dust is settling on the contentious power struggle between Governor Godwin Obaseki and his former deputy, recent events in the dynamic landscape of Edo State politics have set the stage for a gripping narrative as the countdown to the September 21st, 2024 governorship election begins. A significant development is the recent defection of some political heavyweights from the ruling People's Democratic Party (PDP) to join forces with their former leader, now Senator Adams Oshiomhole, in the All Progressives Congress (APC), as well as the sudden lingering handshake between Shuaibu and the APC leadership in the state, hinting at potential realignments and alliances in the run-up to the election. Some observers think this situation poses a potent threat to Obaseki and his choice candidate. Amidst the political drama in Edo State, some political actors are echoing the overbearing need for issue-based campaigns and fostering mutual respect among all contenders.
The PDP, who had dominated the state, who took power from the APC, we have APC now who have realized their mistake, want to wrestle power back from them. We also now have the obedience. Obedience is very powerful. It's a combination of forces who also want to say, you know, we're done with PDP and APC. We want to take power back. So now, people are going to be more responsible. They're going to have a choice of word when they are campaigning. The campaign of trying to destroy one to climb is no longer acceptable again.
Let us go to the people directly and tell them what we want to do. And if the people believe us, and they will vote for us. And that's how it should be.
The coming election in Edo State will be issues based. I don't think there will be insult. If you are not popular, you are not popular.
As we eagerly look forward to the impact Shuaibu's ill treatment and eventual impeachment will have on the political climate in Edo State, the Independent Electoral Commission (INEC) says campaign activities commences on the 24th of April, 2024. The question in the minds of the Edo State electorate is who will emerge victorious, not just as a leader, but as a beacon of hope and change for Edo State. The answer lies in the hands of every voter, every voice, heart and mind that craves a better tomorrow. It's a time for thoughtful consideration, for weighing promises against track records, and for choosing a path that leads to progress and prosperity.
Inside the Niger Delta,